with this episode, we're gonna, go a little bit light. And Junior was gonna talk about Dogecoin, man. So what's up with Dogecoin? What do you think?
Bro, it's been crazy, man. It's been the talk of the last like few weeks. It started off at like
Yeah,
4 or 5 cents a couple months ago. I've been telling people, coworkers, friends, man, you gotta invest. You gotta invest at least a little bit. At least start with
yeah.
$100, $200. But those people out there, man. They want to just uh,
People,
they'll start getting a little bit scared. They'll invest a little bit. $100, it goes down to 70, 60, but then right away they pull out their money, and then what happens
yeah.
2 days later, bro? It blows up. A week later, a month later. That's the stock, bro. That's why it's called the stock market, because you never know when it's gonna go up or down.
If you're smart and you know how to invest your money and you're willing to take a risk, I don't know, man. Dogecoin, I'm not really 100% sold on Dogecoin, man. Like every time I like downplay it though, it goes up. Like I say, it was like, oh, bro, I said I don't think it's gonna go past 20
Yeah,
cents, 25
yeah.
cents. I don't think it's gonna go past 25 cents, 30 cents. So I don't know, man. What do you think though? Do you think this is like a coin that you'll invest a lot of money in long term? Or
I'm not saying I'm going like crazy, crazy. I did agree with you, because me and Jay talked a few days ago, and we were saying like, man, it's just a meme, kind of like crypto, but it's been blowing up,
yeah,
But I'm not saying invest. Disclaimer, entertainment
yeah,
purposes only. We're not financial
yeah.
advisors. We're not experts. We're just giving
Yeah.
our opinion. We're just two dudes
Don't
who love to
sue me,
talk
bro.
about
Don't
these
sue
stuff.
me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Don't
You
put your
know.
lifesavers into this and lose it all and then get mad.
Yeah, then don't take our advice for it.
Yeah,
If you actually being serious, seek professional help. But
yeah,
get CPAs out there, financial advisors. But I was just saying, man, it was a meme, a couple months ago, but little by little, man, it's been growing. I remember seeing the Graham podcast when his assistant made him freaking put in $1,000 into
damn.
Dogecoin. Yeah, he had 212,000 Dogecoin. He made a video recently, bro. He would have made $212,000.
But you took it out.
Took it out, yeah. So
Damn.
it went from $1,000 to like I think 800 or 700 something. He just straight up just pulled it all out.
You know what's crazy? I want to.